with Go Fast Hobbies again here on another Unboxing Wednesday. Today we're going to check out the Team GFRP weapon, the new 2025 version of it. So we'll go ahead and open up the box and see what is inside. So you can see it's like in all their kits, decal sheets on the top, some bubble wrap, comes with the Loctite as well. Kind of go through here and see what we got. Header, which was not previously included in their 23 Midget. Looks like bag G comes with the bumper assembly. Just kind of pull the bags out as they're laid in here. Transmission bag, bag E comes with the ball diff, comes with spur gear. Comes with the plus 10 transmission kit, which is the plastic case, molded case, and the standard motor plate for it. So, and the slipper eliminator. Looks like it has all sealed bearings throughout. So we'll pull out bag B here. Caster blocks, steering blocks, your servo mounts, front axles. Looks like titanium turnbuckles throughout, and then again sealed bearings. See here in the bag, I'll flip it over. So shock bag. Looks like it comes with big bore shocks. It's like this is a version with big bore shocks. I'm not sure. Look at this and see if they have an option for small and big bore. New, does not appear. It's like it comes with big bore shocks. So it comes with big bore shock kit. See all the shock parts there. All aluminum bodies, springs. Quick shock assembly there. Bag C, carbon fiber shock tower, rear arms, it's a camber link mount, molded rear hubs as well, and it comes with sealed bearings for the rear hubs, hinge pins, and titanium turnbuckles. Bag D, which is the CVA kit, nothing too fancy there. And we have bag A. Bag A, open this up. This is where this car is really going to differ from the 23, I do believe. It's like a miniature assault chassis plate, which is way different than the car that was originally before it. And then it comes with a nose plate, just like the Assault, single bell crank, has the aluminum camber link mounts, and it looks like sealed bearings for the bell crank as well. Assembly. See it all in there. And turnbuckle wrench for this thing. And we'll move on. We have the body work. The cage first. This is the molded cage assembly, which is the same as the previous Midget, and also the body work. Same as the previous Midget as well, because tail tank, visor, hood, side panels, and then screws for the body, I assume. Put that together. So yeah, complete car. Really different than the first Midget, the 23 Midget. Car appears to be just basically a mini Assault. Does come with 02 toe blocks, looks like. Not nothing too fancy. It's basically a shrunk down version of the Assault Sprint car. It appears with the big bore shocks. Once again, with their car kits, they do not provide the manual in a box, so you have to download that manual. You can do that on our website or Team GFRP as well. So yeah, check us out. If you've not checked us out, gofasthobbies.com. Please do that. And check out the GFRP 25 weapon on there and all the other car kits we have available. Have a good day. Thanks for tuning in.